So both in my personal and work life, I use a crazy amount of tools. And nowadays, every tool has credits. This means you have rollover credits you're going to be losing if you do nothing. It also means that you have wasted potential. And oftentimes, whether it be for these passion projects or through my job, I often try to be credit smart. I don't want to be burning credits on silly things. But if I have extra credits, let's say, for Lovable, for Clay, for Firecrawl, for this example, or even the HeyGen when I'm building some video avatars, well, we should use them up. So that's what I built. And it's called Ration. The idea behind this tool is whether it be through a browser agent that can log into your tool and track the number of credits you have left, which you can actually run now. Which when you click run check now, based on your options, you have API, manual, or through a browser agent, it'll go in and update the number of credits. And then you can see how much you have left and also the due date. So for example, this is the final call where Clay is expiring in 2 days, meaning we should really run our new sequence list and test things out. But oftentimes you might be thinking to yourself, Brendan, what do? I have extra credits. How do I burn them? And don't worry, I got you there. This is what I have here for the Plan to Burn. What Plan to Burn does will give you a few different options of how you could use this. For example, you could enrich the whole industry. It'll give you some idea on the credit usage. Practical, spicy, moonshot, and just to see, if you have a lot of credits, might as well go a little crazy. Can you build a whole new database for yourself? And this is the same thing for everything. So I went for Firecrawler, I go log, same thing here. I give you options of how you want to log it, if it's worth selling, if it's not worth selling, everything else. So the idea really behind this is you pay for capacity. Let's use this excess capacity for a benefit. And for me, because I have a lot of tools and I believe in the future everything's going usage-based, I think this is a fun tool to do. And also it's pretty easy. You can just add in your own tools, enter the credits, API, browser agent, which we show more of. If you want, I can show how browser agents work for this use case. But let's get funky. Hope you guys enjoy this build. Keep it fun, keep it light. I love this airplane aesthetic. Let me know how you've been burning your extra credits. Is it on funky ideas? Or are you meticulous day to day to make sure by the end of the month you've used all the value? For me, I don't know if it's an ego thing or a fun thing. I want to use every penny I can to get the most value out of these tools. Hope you guys enjoy and tune in for next week for some more funky and exciting builds.